Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracy, and today I'm going to take you through how to make a podcast in Excel. But then before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for you not to miss interesting updates in future. So, let's assume I'm a class teacher for People class, and here are the details of my students, including their names and the marks they obtained in science, SST, CRE, English, PE, and today we are going to learn how to get the total, average, position, and comment according to the performance of the students. So let's start by getting the total. To get the total, you come to the cell. Okay. To get the total, we are going to use the formula. Okay, sum. You start by putting the equal sign, then you write sum. But Excel is automatically going to bring with the function you wanted. Like here, it brought sum. Double click on it, then you go to the cell. Like from this one, we are going to total from science to PE. Then you enter. You see? Here's our total. Then for the rest of the students, you just come here and drag this down, and Excel will automatically bring for you the total of the rest of the students. Then for the average, I think for the average you do the same thing. You start by putting the equal sign, you come and write your average, and Excel will bring you the function, double click on it, then you go to the cells where you want to get, to get the average from, like from here, to here, then you press your enter. You see that is our average. For the rest of the students, just come and drag this down. Then Excel will automatically calculate the average for the rest of the students. And to get the position, we are going to rank. So you start by your equal sign, then you write rank, and the function will automatically, Excel will automatically bring the function. If you see, double click on it, then we're going to rank using the average. Let's rank using the total. From this cell, you bring your comma, again you continue from here. From here, you drag up to down. Then don't forget to include the dollar signs. I think we shall manually insert it here. Here, and then here also. Here. Close your bracket, then you enter. As you can see, the first student trace is number 1. Then for the rest of the student, you do the same thing we have been doing. You just drag. as you can see. Yeah, as you can see. Then we go and do the one to comment. We're going to use the if function. We start equals sign. Here, double click. Then let us say if. We're going to use the average. With this average. With this average is greater than 80, comma, then we shall say very good, comma, and if H2, let us just write it down, if H2 is greater than 70, yeah, it's greater than 70, comma, we'll say good. And continue. If H2 is greater than 60, we shall say sphere continue if H2 is greater than 50, comma, we say improve. Like this. Yeah, then close the bracket and we click on enter. As you can see, then for the rest of the students, okay, sorry, I forgot to show you. Before you press the enter, it will bring for you. Okay, you'll have to choose between descending and ascending. For me, automatically click enter because mine I want it to be in descending order from the best to the lowest. That's why I just clicked enter. So from here we just drag. Yeah, as you can see. So we are done making our podcast. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe, like, and share for you not to miss interesting updates in future.